নমস্কার বন্ধুরা, গোপা চক্রবর্তী ফ্রম গ্রিন হাউস কলকাতা এসে গেছি আবার শাড়ির সম্ভার নিয়ে। দেখতে হবে বসে একটু, আর একটু শেয়ার করবেন প্লিজ। আমি বলি না, ইট মিনস লট টু মি। একটু শেয়ার করুন, একটু সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন প্লিজ, অ্যান্ড অফকোর্স কমেন্টসে আমি বুঝতে পারি যে কি হচ্ছে, কি ধরনের জিনিস আপনাদের দরকার। তার জন্যই এগুলো নিয়ে আসি, আমি যা শুনি তাই। এবার গুজরাটি দেখতে চেয়েছিলেন, আই গট লট অফ গুজরাটিজ মেড ফর ইউ অনলি। তাই দেখুন, এবার গুজরাটিজ দেখুন। প্রথমে আমি 3-4টে গুজরাটি দেখাবো, ঠিক আছে? দেখানো শুরু করি। দেখুন, একটা গাছি তসরে, দিস আ গুজরাটি অন গাছি তসর, hand painted ones, acid hand painting Gujaratis. Look at the color scheme, very sober, elegant one. আমি একটু ভালো করে দেখাই এটাকে। And the stitches like this, they're all handwork, and down below stitches like this, hand painted one, and the stylish aanchal. This goes for 9,600. The quality of the sari is royal, very nice. Oh, what a drape, beautiful drape you'll get. And the blouse section. The sari costs 9,600 dear. On গাছি তসর, আপনারা নিয়ে দেখবেন। The material, I always emphasize on material. Acid hand painting, acid hand painting. গাছি তসরে acid hand painting করে we have done up the, look at the color scheme. Fold it tight. Color scheme. This sari cost 10,600. Again one gachi toshor. Gujarati work kora hoyeche. This is orange and maroon combination. 10,400 please. Look at the broad, well-made aanchal section. And the blouse section. It's a running blouse. The sleeves part. এইখান থেকে ধরো নিচে। The sleeves part. This costs 10,400 please. এবার আমাদের দুজনে দেখাচ্ছে পারুল আর মালা। শাড়ি নাম্বার 4, শাড়ি নাম্বার 4 সিল্ক শাড়ি দেখাচ্ছে এবার। বিষ্ণুপুর সিল্ক, দ্য কপার কালার। এই কালারটা আনতেও বেশ সময় লেগেছে। So 450 grams silk, 4,600. Show them the aanchal part properly. And the blouse section. This sari costs 4,600. You know, 450 grams silk, very good quality. The product number 5, this is again on Bishnupur silk. Active designing with the slant triangular effect. When worn, it will look pretty. 5,400 for this piece. 5,400 for this piece. This is the blouse section. Multicolored batik, number 6. Very colorful. Color bar রয়েছে আঁচলে, খুব সুন্দর effect. Number 6 with the blouse section. 5,800 because they're on mulberry silk. Number 7, this is on mulberry silk. দেখুন lotus effect এর শাড়ি always in demand. Black এর উপরে the pink flowers are looking so nice. এদিকে crack batik আঁচল. Show them the আঁচল. And the blouse section. Yeah, that's better. Okay. And these are from Bhuj. We sent our Bishnupur silks and got made from there. Green is always in demand. Show them the color nicely. You zoom and show them the color. The color is so beautiful. Number 8. This is for 5,200 only. 5,200. The aachal. Display the aachal. Look at the aachal. It should. And the blouse section you show. Mala, you show the blouse section. This is 5,200 for this Azrak on Bishnupur silk. They're with all original colors, natural dyes. Number 9, 5,200 again. The black one. 5,200 for this piece. And the aachal. So decorative. The blouses are lucrative. You can use with lot of sarees. 5,200. The green one, 5,200. Number 10 is for 5,200. And complement it with the blouse. This costs 5,200. Now we'll show you the modal silk. Modal silk, Bandhani, and they have combined with Azrak blocks. Tedious job. This modal silk is with contrast border and contrast achal, which is rare. This number 11 goes for 5,200. Integration of two states, Rajasthan and Bhuj. The Bandhani has been done from Rajasthan. Number 11 is for 5,200. Number 12, very rich maroon, very rich. Number 12, Darun. Look at their typical motifs. The achal part, and the blouse section. 5,200. It will go for the color, so beautiful. A rich coffee brown color with contrast border and achal. Azrak and tie and dye together, Bandhani and Azrak together. Wonderfully combined, very tastefully combined. 5,200 for number 13. And the blouse section. Yeah, these are the best of tussars, very premium quality tussery. These are all kalamkari painting from West Bengal. This is such a gorgeous sari. I wish you could drape it and show. You just show them the achal first. Very beautiful achal. To spread karo, Mala, you just spread it properly and show them. Foolish. And देखो, they are all beautiful collection. সুন্দর কাজ হয়েছে। A lucky person will get it. Book it fast. Miss hoye jabe na to. It's a very pretty one. When worn, I have seen 11,000 for this sari. 11,000 for this sari. Number 15. Hand painted kalamkaris. The work has been done from Bengal. They're not with vegetable colors. Number 15. $10,000. Look at this golden yellow. Half the sari, some golden yellow. $10,800. Show them this part again. The front part. It's very decorative. This is 10,800. This is on premium quality Gachi Toshur, heavy Gachi Toshur. So, the product number 16, discharge print on Gachi Toshur. এগুলো একটা একটা paisley, you show them the paisleys. They use so many colors. This is on steel grey. This sari is for 6,000, going for 6,000. They're all fresh stock for Poila Boishakh. And the blouse section. Sari number 17. The brick red one. Magical hands. 17 number shari is going for 6,800. Total batik effect. The borders you emphasize the borders are cracked borders. Crack in the borders. And the blouse is the aanchal. And the blouse part. This color is in. We thought of making batiks. We use these dyes to make batik. This color, lilac. Number 18. $6,800 for this piece. The beautiful palla. You show them the palla. It's so beautiful. Palla ta khub sundor. Very beautiful palla. The sari and the palla. This is for 6,800. This is on Gachi Toshur, pure Gachi Toshur. These tassels, we keep making these tassels. There's a lot of demand for these things from greenhouse. Number 19. Very rich one, very elegant. 7,000 for this saree. 7,000. What a grace! What the subtleness of color scheme. Number 19 with this contrast blouse. It look very rich. 7,000. This is our grapevine design. Very much in demand from a great artisan, going for 7,200 with the blouse section. So unusual, unique color. This is the Rabindrik Batik, number 21. Number 21. The combination of colors. Number 21. 6,800 for this batik with the cracked blouse. Very smart look. We start with our cottons. Applique work done on cottons with gamchas. গামছা দিয়ে অ্যাপ্লিক ওয়ার্ক করানো হয়েছে। The sari cost, this is on Dhonikhali cotton dear. The sari costs 2,800. This is number 22. Number 23 is on pink Dhonikhali cotton. These are all 100 count cotton. All applique work, small tiny leaves. Applique work টা একটু ভালো করে দেখাও. There's a bordered. Number 23 is again for 2,800. They are without blouses. Yeah, this is the number 24 I am showing you. They are all 100 count cotton again. Very good quality. And we have done machine embroidery work on and using some net. This is, we call it Parsi Jali, the Jali work Parsi. This goes for 3,400 with lot of motifs we've given. And the rest of the sari, yeah, the rest of the sari we have given lot of motifs. 5 to 6 of them. And show them the achal section once again. Very beautiful one, is very popular from Greenhouse. 3,400 for this piece. 3,400. Yeah, take it out. Good. And the pink one. Pink to সবার পছন্দ. I keep making the pinks. সব সময় পিঙ্কের ডিমান্ড. Lot of motifs. Beautiful. যখন পরা হয় শাড়িটা will give a gorgeous look. Summer evening party te it looks beautiful when worn. Look at the sari. How dainty, how beautiful the sari is. Lot of motifs down below. Look at this. So I'll be ending up today. Let me sign up. And the achal section. A beautiful sari. That's all for today, dear. Keep watching, keep subscribing, keep sharing. I keep repeating. Please do share. Share it with your friends and family members. Thank you so much.